Okay, on this 25th day of the month of December, year 2010, it's Christmas time and we now have again another family reunion. It's a Gimayan reunion here at the residence of my aunt Intay, Aunt Ninay. Okay, so here are the members of the clan, of the Gimayan clan, all together celebrating Christmas 2010. This is Insin Roman. Then we have Aunt Ninay, my Manang Fining, then my granddaughters, Vani and Valerie. Then we have Auntie Intay. So we are telling a while ago that this is a family reunion. This Christmas 2010, as we now have to roll with the camera. There you are. Okay, kumpleto ang pamilya, ang kanang Gimayan nandito ngayon sa Bagong Abulucadet. Okay. A closer look. Yan. Para may memorize natin ang mga faces ng ating mga kapamilya. There you are, no? Very nice. And the feeling is always good. Okay? Right? Okay. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. It's a family reunion, really, ano? And I guess ang Auntie Ninay and Auntie Tay natin feels so great with almost all the members of the clan are now right here for the celebration of Christmas 2010. Okay? Ang hindi mapakali na si Lina. Okay.
Kas gamin talaga ako. Bukod nga kastak.
Ako lang wala. Ako wala sa grupo. So ganito lang style. Ayan. Ako yan. Okay. So, nandyan ang kompleto, no? Kapamilya, kapuso. Okay. Kapatid. Okay. And always friends. Di ba? Right. Okay.
Kita.